Hey there, tax filers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that's super relevant if you're a student or a parent handling education expenses. Adding your 1098-T form on TurboTax for the 2025 tax year. This form is key because it helps you claim education credits and deductions, potentially saving you money on your taxes. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll walk you through it step by step in a way that's easy to follow. First things first, make sure you have your 1098-T form handy. This is the document your school sends you, detailing your tuition payments and qualified expenses. Now, log into your TurboTax account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create it. It's straightforward and free for the basic version. Once you're in, head to the Federal section and look for Deductions and Credits. TurboTax has a smart search bar, so you can just type in 1098-T or Education Expenses to jump right there. When you find it, click on Education and then select Add a 1098-T form. TurboTax will prompt you to enter your information manually or upload a PDF if you have it digitized. Next, carefully input the details from your form. That includes your school's information, the amounts for boxes like tuition paid and scholarships received. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. TurboTax might even flag potential mistakes for you. If you're eligible for credits like the American Opportunity Credit, TurboTax will guide you through claiming them based on what you enter. After you've added all the info, review your return. TurboTax makes this simple with a summary page where you can see how the 1098-T affects your taxes. If everything looks good, you're ready to e-file. Remember, the 2025 tax rules might have some tweaks, so always verify with the latest IRS guidelines. There you go. That's how you add your 1098-T on TurboTax. It only takes a few minutes and can make a big difference in your refund. If you run into any issues or have questions, leave a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tax tips. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.